the importance of value streams for continuous flow. How do we go about identifying and validating value streams and arts? What are the steps in identifying value streams and arts? I will start with the step number 5. Reason is why, guess, eventually the goal for any value stream workshop, identification workshop is what? All work comes to development value stream. Therefore, my end goal of this workshop is to identify development value stream from which I will form Agile Release Trains. Is everybody clear with what's the end goal of this workshop? How do we get there? Start with your ops value stream. Who is the customer? What is their need? We start there. How do you know the value? What will be the value for customer? Value for the bank. Then in order to serve this customer need, what solutions will the bank require? Bank employees require to serve. Then I have identified, let's say, a solution like core banking or a loan origination system. Who's going to build and support it? Where do they come from? Where do they exist? How many people are needed to get the job done? And then how do I organize these people so that they can eventually end up doing that work? Because only if they deliver that system, the customer need can be taken forward. Are you all with me? Let's go further down.